I'm Michael Schuett at Klahanie Chevron Service Center. Klahanie Chevron is here to help you, which is why they offer our monthly car tips videos.
All-wheel drive versus four-wheel drive. Front-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. Which is more expensive? Which are tougher to maintain? The website itstillruns.com helps explain some of the differences. Most four-wheel drives allow the driver to manually switch from having two wheels to all four wheels working together. The four wheels are a must on tougher terrain such as snow, rocks, and mud. The driver, however, has to set it back to two-wheel when done to prevent any engine damage. There are two settings for four-wheel drive: low for slower speeds on tougher terrain, or high for higher speeds and easier terrain. All-wheel drive has the vehicle sense the loss of traction constantly and adjust if only two wheels are in charge or all four. This full-time system has an automatic computerized system that decides when changes are needed, offers better handling and traction, and is good for many types of terrain. But four-wheel drive vehicles are recommended for serious off-roading. Being all-wheel drive does the thinking for you all the time, extra gas is constantly being used as compared to four-wheel drive, which is engaged only as needed. According to Autotrader.com, buying all-wheel or four-wheel drive vehicles costs more than a two-wheel drive vehicle, between $1,500 and $3,000. And both can be more expensive to service and repair because their systems are more complex. In our next video, we'll help explain the difference between front and rear-wheel drives.
Klahanie Chevron Service Center wants to take a moment and thank all their wonderful, loyal customers who have made Klahanie Chevron their place for all kinds of routine automotive services. They have 4 service bays and a mechanic is on duty 6 days a week. Bring your car or truck here. They can help.